Hello guys, so I have this issue with my Cricut where my Cricut keeps cutting more to the left. I've done some searches on Google and YouTube and came across this video here. She gave some great tips and I saw that it worked for many people. Unfortunately, I was still having the same issue after I tried all the tips she gave, but I want to share this video as well in case it does work for you. I'll also link it in the description. Since I was still having some difficulties, I decided to do a little more testing on my end to correct this, and I think I found the solution. I will share what I was doing before and how I was setting up my projects on Cricut versus what I changed to fix the issue. So originally, I always have two PNGs. I have the backing, so I'll show you the backing real quick. So I have the backing for the sticker sheet, and then I'll have the sticker cutouts separately, and I'll import these both as a print then cut. So I'm just gonna do that. I always choose complex, apply, print then cut. Okay, let me just do that really quick with the PNGs. And then I'll just add these to the canvas. I would make the backing sheet 4x6, and then this one I'll just line it up. I can change this to 6, and then I'll line it up. And then I'll rotate it 90 degrees. Oops. Put it in the corner, and then I'll just duplicate this, and then I'll just make sure that they're within the cut area, and it is, and then I'll just attach it and then make it. Very simple. But I've been having that issue where if I just leave it like this, the cut lines will be a little off. So the way that I changed it is a little bit more work, but once I set it up in my project and save it, like I only have to do it once, so it's not that big of a deal. It's just whenever I'm first setting it up, I have to do this, so that way it accommodates for the left offset. So I'll show you, I'll restart this and I'll show you what I do now. So I'll import these. And same thing, I will make this 6, and then I will duplicate the images once, and then I align these horizontally and center vertically, and then I will scale these down to the size that I want it to be, and then I will change the top one to a basic cut. Because it shifts over to the left, I'm going to nudge this with my arrow keys. I'm going to nudge this once to the right, like that. And this part is very important. I want to flatten the images to the backing, so that way it doesn't cut these parts as well. So I'll flatten this. I'll bring my cuts, my basic cuts, to the front, and then I'll rotate this to 90 degrees, place it at the top, duplicate like that, make sure it's within the max cut line, cut area, attach everything, and then make it. So that's basically it, and that has fixed my issue, and it has helped me so much. It saves so much paper. But yeah, if you have tried the other tips and it hasn't worked for you, try doing it this way, and hopefully this works for you, because it has worked for me. I know this is a super short video, but I felt like if I was running into this issue, other people might have been running into this issue as well. So yeah, I hope this video helps you if you are having the same issue. But yeah, if you found this video helpful, please like this video, and if you like what you see, please subscribe for future content. Alright, I'll see you guys next time. Thanks guys, bye.